Welcome to SEC Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see P2 Pure Maths, January 2023. Question number 1. Integration of area by trapezium method. Okay, look at the question. Okay, minus 1, 2.287. 0.5, 4. You see x is minus 1, 2.287, 0.5, 4.470, 0, 6.719, 0.5, 7.291, 1 is 2.834. Okay, what is the trapezium formula? Half height y0 plus 2y1 y2 dot yn minus 1 plus yn. Okay, what is the height? Height is b minus a over n. B is 1, a is minus 1, 1 minus 1 divided by n. Here you see how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns means 4. Because if it is 5 columns, there are 4 trapezium only. That is the reason I reduced to 1. 1 minus 1 only 2 by 4. It is 1 by 2. Height is 1 by 2. Another simpler way to do it, any difference between any column. 0.5 to 0 is 0 only. Okay. 1 to 0.5, 0.5 minus 0 is 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 only. So any one, which is easier you find out. 0.5 minus 0 is 0.5. So height is equal to 0.5. You no need to do b minus a over n. Very simple this one. Okay, now do it. Half height. Height is what? 0.5. Or we will do 1 by 2. 1 by 2 times this one, 2.287. Okay, plus what's the formula? 2 times 4.470, 6.719, 7.291. Okay, what will come? Plus 2.834. Okay, now add it everything. This one, if you add it, 18.480. Okay, add, use the calculator. To 1 by 4, 2.287, 2.834, if you add it, 2.287, 2.834, and this one, 2 times 18 is 36, 36.96. You may use the calculator. I am habitual with mathematics. 42.081. Okay, 42.081 divided by, multiplied by 1 by 4. Calculator. 42.081 divided by 4. 10.52. Area is what? 10.52. Do it, calculate it. Okay. Next, part B. F of x we found out. They are asking, do this one, copy down. Next is integration of minus 1 to 1 f of x minus 2 dx. Okay, f of x minus 2 dx is, I think you may not have copied it. Copy fold. Okay. F of x we found it is 10.52. Now we have to do only this one. This we can split it, integration of f of x dx minus 1 to 1 dx minus 2 dx minus 1 to 1. Okay, this is 10.52 minus this one 2x dx minus 1 to 1. So minus 2 times x you substitute to 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 4. So 10.52 minus 4, sorry, minus 4.00, it is 6.52. This is the BI. BII, it is just shifting. You notice, copy down. You notice f of x dx minus 1 to 1, f of x minus 2 dx 1 to 3. See, if it is minus 2, as per our formula, transformation rule, it will move right hand side 2. Minus 1 moves right hand side 2 is 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Okay. 1 right hand side moves is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this and this are same area. Okay. If it is 10.52, this is also 10.52 because same everything. Got it? Thank you for watching my videos. Now I will tell how to, why we are using trapezium method to find the area. Thank you. Suppose this is a A, this is a B. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This looks 5 trapezium. Okay. It's a 5 trapezium. What is the trapezium formula? Of times A plus B times height. Okay. This is the height. This is the height. The height is uniform in all trapezium. So height is common of height. Okay. This is the first one. A, B. A plus B. For this trapezium. For this trapezium what? B, C. B plus C. For this trapezium, we finished. This we finished. This is the second trapezium. This is the first trapezium. This is the third trapezium. C, D. Okay. This is the third trapezium. Fourth trapezium, B plus E. Okay. Fifth trapezium, E plus F. Note it down. Okay. Now you notice B repeated 2 times, C repeated 2 times, D repeated 2 times, E repeated 2 times. A and F comes 1. That is the reason we are putting half h y0 plus 2y1 plus y2 y3 dot yn minus 1
plus yn. Got it? y0 to yn, 2y1 to yn minus 1. Okay. That is the reason we are taking the first value as it is, the last value as it is, this remaining between the column values we are repeating 2 times. This is the one, because sometimes students get confused why you are leaving the first column values only 1 time, last column value only 1 time, remaining all the values 2 times. This is the reason, because we are considering this 5-hour trapezium. Trapezium formula is half times a plus b times h. This b is for the trapezium 1 and 2. This c is for trapezium 2 and 3. This d is trapezium 3 and 4. This e is trapezium 4 and 5. A is only for trapezium 1. F is only for trapezium 5. I hope you got it. Still, if you don't get it, please message me. I will make another video and I will send it to you, or you can contact me through WhatsApp, everything. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Your people are giving comments, good comments, and asking doubts. It really motivating me to do more. Okay. Recently, one viewer asked, sir, when you are making P4 January 2024. For that reason, I am making this video. Your views are more important to me, because I am around 30 years teachers, but I am in YouTube. I am recently started. So your views, your likes, your recommendations, your sharing all motivates me to do more. Please keep doing. Please share with your friends. Okay, see you.